Morning. Right, today I'm going to attempt to fit this bad boy. So I'll do a little bit of marking up, get some masking tape, and then I'll jump back in. Right, so I don't know if you can see that down here, but just there, got a nice little hole to put the tap in. So I'll get the tap and I'll get it in the hole. Tap mounted. Still got the weight to go on the bottom, which I'll do now, but this is what you've got to play with. No room whatsoever. Great fun. Right, I don't know if you can see me, I'm hiding down here. Right, basically, I've got the tap in. If I turn you around and show you down there, look, can you see all this? I mean, when they build these cupboards, they don't exactly give you enough room to do stuff like this, but it's in. It seems to be working, but it's very, very, very tight, but never mind. Can only do what I can do. Right, I've got the tap in. I don't know if you can see it with the blinds, but it's one of them pulley outy things. Doesn't look too bad actually. I know it's hard to kind of see in here, but most of the faff happens under there where you can't get to because the units aren't, they don't give you much room to work in, but it is what it is, as usual. Anyway, right, after a bit of faff as usual, I've managed to get the water pump in. Now then, I don't know if you can kind of see in there, but it's in the back of there. Now there's not a lot of room in there, hence the reason I didn't film it, because honest to God, what, carry on. Anyway, it's in, it works. I just need to sort out my water storage kind of thing. I think I'm just gonna get some 10-litre containers. I don't really want to put a water tank in, although I might in the future, but at the minute, just to get me away for this kind of season, because I've got that much on, I think a 10-litre container will do for now, and then I might do the same for the waste, we'll see. But the tap's there, working. It's one of them fancy things that go in and out. But yeah, getting there. Not a lot left to do now. I need to sort the step out. I'll show you. Hang on. This needs finished off because obviously that looks rubbish. That's Kingspan flooring, so I need to cover that with something. Got an idea, but watch this space. Oops, sorry. But yeah, apart from that, inside's just about done. A few bits and bobs to do, but nothing major.